Hi, I'm Rob Brown, editor of Canadian Woodworking and Home Improvement, Canada's national magazine for woodworkers and DIYers. In every issue, we have lots of projects, techniques, and tips. We also have a website with over 20 years worth of free and downloadable back articles, an online forum with thousands of helpful members, and a monthly digital newsletter with all sorts of information. But if you're looking for something a little bit more focused, we've got something for you too. We're really excited to introduce our new series of informative, inspirational, and entertaining online woodworking webinars. We'll be covering a wide range of topics in these live, interactive workshops that will appeal to woodworkers of all skill levels. You'll have an opportunity to watch, listen, and learn with other participants from across Canada. In these sessions, we'll cover machinery and power tool operation and woodworking techniques from design and breakout to assembly and finishing. And at the end of each webinar, you can listen to questions asked by others and ask questions of your own. Learning from professionals is always the best approach, and I'm sure you'll be impressed with how thorough and informative these sessions are, and how they can be used to jumpstart your learning. To learn about and sign up for upcoming webinar topics, visit us at canadianwoodworking.com and click on webinars. Join us and many other woodworkers from across Canada as we enhance the skills we need to build our dreams.